What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Fever Man, and we back with another Feevahs Motorsports episode. Yes, sir. So today gonna be a little short one. My boy Ray done got himself an e-bike, so we can go pull up, pick him up, pick up the bike, assemble it, and get him back on. So let's go ahead and make this move. All right? Yes, sir. To the spot. Yo, Ray. Look at this little one.
Shit, you see it.
Okay.
You see it. You see it, gang. You see it in the bike. Yes, sir, Rocco. Yes, sir.
So yeah, we're gonna put this in the truck, load it up.
Hold that motherfucker up, boy. Sheesh. But I was finna open it like before I even called you, but you had to stop me.
All right.
Stop me.
Alright, let's do it.
I'll be on the 24th of September. Shit.
Scoot that other side in. Yeah. Scoot it forward a little bit. Squeeze that in there. There it is. There it is. Motorsport. Alright, so we got the bike in the shop. And before we tear down this bike, I want y'all to see what's going on with this other bike. We'll call this the OG bike, his first bike. Yeah, man. Y'all see that? This bike's seen better days. Ray, what happened, man? Tell him what happened.
Yeah, I was riding my bike, just riding my bike, you know how I am from work. And I was I guess you could say I was in the wrong lane. But at the same time, car was coming out, taking a right. I was coming this way. He was supposed to, I thought he was gonna make eye contact with me, but I guess not. So he just took the right without even seeing me coming from the right. Took my bike out.
Yep.
Almost took my life. Almost. Got some money on from it, and I got some money just a little bit.
Yeah, got something to get right. Something to get a new bike.
Yes, sir. Shoot it.
So yeah, we're gonna assemble this, man. Y'all can see it's shop full, so we're working on limited space. So let's go ahead and get this going. Alright, we got the bike put together so far. We got this big old battery we still got to install on it. Ray's about to go back and grab some more parts for this bike. Forgot the pegs and the headlight. Goofy. So we're gonna snag that on my e-bike. And then when he gets back, we're gonna throw it together and put it on his first ride, So stay tuned.
With it.
Came with all the tools.
Oh, this one is the headlight.
What's this right here? Oh, you got a rear view mirror. What the fuck is this, a phone mount? Yes, phone mount.
And they brake came with everything you needed. That's crazy.
All right, we got the bike built. So let's go over a couple features on this bike, man. Let's start from the top. First, we got the ergonomic foam mount. You know what I'm saying? Headlight switch, of course. You got a key on this model. And this is a 7-speed. So you got your gears right there. We got the headlight back installed. Headlights mounted pretty all right. Tires are good. Maybe need to pump it up a little bit. We got the Ridstar battery pack installed, fully charged. Let y'all see that. Hold that down. Yep, fully charged. All right, moving to the back. We got the phone case where we can store our belongings, tool set, put the rest of them tools in there so we don't forget that. Yeah. Moving to the back, you see the chain. Chain's kind of close to the tire right here. I wonder if that can be adjusted some type of way. But overall, I think the bike's ready for its first ride. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm born. I need to pump up the tires first, though.
We're gonna pump up the tires, and yeah, we're gonna slide out on the e-bike, e-gang. Okay, you got a little aftermarket edition right here. Ooh, looking like 12. Police there.
Hold on, wait for it. Wait. We ain't gonna change red to blue. There you go.
There you go.
Pull over. Pull over.
Right.
Jeez. Uh-oh. Ah, damn.
Customer about to come pick up this YFZ 450. So I'm gonna try to squeeze it out in this sea filled of bikes. This one's ready to go, so I'm gonna squeeze this out for you. All right, 0 miles, 0 everything. First ride.
You know what that means? Brand new skis.
Brand new skis. All right, Ray, show them what's going on with the bike, man.
Let me turn it on, skis. You know, it do got 5 gears. That's crazy. Last one only had 3. You know? Let me see what 3 gonna do in them motherfuckers.
No, tell them about the horn thing.
And the horn thing? Oh yeah, these niggas fucked up my shit. The lights is the horn, and the horn is the lights.
Click the horn one time. Oh man.
Yeah, whoever built this did a horrible job. I don't know where you at. You done fucked up on my bike. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Shit.
Right. Yeah. Okay. 17. Cruising speed. Decent little ride. Overall, pretty straight bike.
Yeah, you ain't ride it yet.
I've seen enough. I'm gonna ride it. It ain't like the Solaria.
It ain't like that. Tell it.
Alright, YouTube. That's all I got for you today. Appreciate y'all watching and tune in next time for the next video. Alright? Catch y'all later.